ChatGPT versus Bing Chat. Which AI assistant fits your need? Are you curious about which AI tool really fits your needs? ChatGPT or Bing Chat? Hey, I'm Josh. Today we're exploring the battle between ChatGPT and Bing Chat, the two most potent AI assistants. Welcome to AIChief, your go-to channel for all things AI. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more AI showdowns. Let's start with a quick overview. ChatGPT by OpenAI is a conversational genius. Add an image that shows conversation prompts on ChatGPT. It thrives on deep, rich dialogue and creative tasks. It is your go-to for writing, brainstorming, and problem-solving. While Bing Chat, powered by Microsoft, gives real-time updated answers from Bing's web search. Think of it as your research buddy with a quick and precise edge. Add an image that shows chatbot, your companion. Let's talk about the user interface. ChatGPT offers a clean, chat-based interface. It is best for initiating detailed conversations or just chatting. On the other hand, Bing Chat is no frills, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. It is best for anyone who needs straightforward answers quickly. When it comes to accuracy, ChatGPT is great at delivering nuanced responses based on a vast amount of knowledge. Bing Chat, however, pulls data directly from the web. It gives an edge in providing live, up-to-date information. ChatGPT is ideal for generating long-term content. It shines in understanding the context and giving personalized suggestions. Conversely, Bing Chat focuses on real-time accuracy. Its strength is getting you to the facts fast without the fluff. Best for, if you're looking for a creative assistant, ChatGPT is your best bet. For quick research and an efficient interface, Bing Chat takes the crown. Regarding pricing, both tools are free to use, but ChatGPT offers a premium tier at $20 per month for advanced features. Well, narrowing down to the conclusion, ChatGPT wins for creative tasks and in-depth conversations. However, if you need instant facts and live search results, Bing Chat is your go-to AI tool. Which one fits your style? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AIChief for more insights on the best AI tools.